How to enable show checkboxes on Yahoo Mail app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable show checkboxes feature on Yahoo Mail app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yahoo Mail app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, then you simply have to scroll down and there under the customize your inbox section, there you can see the option labeled as checkboxes. So here to enable the option, you simply have to toggle it on, and after that, now you'll see checkboxes next to every mail or email for easy selection. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.